It's a story I hear all the time. You used to have the energy to tackle anything. You could work all day, play with your kids, and still have something left in the tank. But now, as the years go by, things feel different. Maybe you're hitting a wall in the afternoon, needing a nap just to get through the day. Perhaps that get-up-and-go feeling has been replaced by a sense of fatigue that lingers like a shadow. This isn't just in your head. It's a real physical change that many men experience as they navigate their 40s, 50s, and beyond. Feeling tired is not your new normal. It's a signal from your body that something is out of balance. This decline in energy often comes with other unwelcome guests. You might notice your motivation isn't what it used to be. The drive you once had at work or for your hobbies seems to have faded. Libido, another key part of a man's vitality, can also take a hit, which can be frustrating and even impact your relationships and confidence. Many men simply accept this as an inevitable part of getting older, a tax they have to pay for another trip around the sun. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to settle. We can get to the root of what's happening and turn things around. So what's really going on inside your body? Think of your body like a high-performance car. When it was new, it ran smoothly on basic fuel. But as it gets older, it needs more specialized care and higher quality fuel to maintain its performance. Your body is no different. The systems that once worked effortlessly now require more support. The gradual decline you're feeling is often linked to subtle internal shifts that have a major impact on your overall energy, mood, and sense of well-being. It's not a sudden breakdown, but a slow leak in your energy reserves. The good news is that you have the power to fix that leak. You can refuel your body and restore your vitality. It doesn't require a complete overhaul or drastic measures. The first step is simply understanding that this fatigue is a symptom, not a final destination. It's a call to action, an invitation to pay closer attention to your body's needs. By acknowledging these changes and learning about the underlying causes, you are already on the path to reclaiming the energy and spark that you thought were gone for good. Let's explore how we can do that together. Let's talk about the two power players in a man's health as he ages: hormones and the prostate. First up is testosterone. This is the master hormone for male vitality. It's responsible for your muscle mass, bone density, sex drive, and, you guessed it, your energy levels. When you're young, your body produces plenty of it. But starting around age 30, testosterone levels can begin a slow, steady decline. This natural drop is a primary reason why you might feel less energetic, find it harder to build muscle at the gym, or notice a dip in your mood and motivation. It's a fundamental shift in your body's internal chemistry. Now let's bring the prostate into the picture. This small gland, about the size of a walnut, plays a huge role in men's health. As you get older, it's very common for the prostate to become enlarged, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This can lead to frequent trips to the bathroom, especially at night. When you're not getting a full, uninterrupted night of sleep, your energy levels the next day will plummet. This is a simple but powerful connection. Poor prostate health disrupts your sleep, and disrupted sleep robs you of your daytime energy. It's a vicious cycle. The relationship between testosterone and the prostate is also complex. As testosterone levels change, the health of your prostate can be affected. An enzyme in your body called 5-alpha reductase converts testosterone into a more potent form called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. While DHT is important, having too much of it is linked to both prostate enlargement and male pattern baldness. This hormonal imbalance can throw your entire system off kilter, contributing directly to the fatigue and low vitality you're feeling. It's not just one thing, but a cascade of interconnected changes. Understanding this connection is your key to taking back control. It's not just about low T or an old man's prostate. It's about a delicate hormonal symphony that has fallen out of tune. The fatigue, the low libido, the nighttime bathroom runs, they're all symptoms of this deeper imbalance. But here is the empowering part. You can naturally support this system. You can give your body the tools it needs to promote hormonal balance and support prostate health, which will, in turn, restore your energy and help you feel like yourself again. Now for the best part, your action plan. You don't need to turn to expensive or risky options to revitalize your body. Mother Nature has provided a powerful toolkit of nutrients and herbs that can help you restore balance naturally and safely. Let's start with the basics. Zinc is a superstar mineral for men's health. It's essential for testosterone production and plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy prostate. You can find it in foods like pumpkin seeds, oysters, and beef. Another key nutrient is selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the prostate. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can give you all the selenium you need. Next, let's talk about some incredible herbs that have been trusted for centuries. Saw palmetto is perhaps the most famous herb for prostate health. It works by helping to inhibit the 5-alpha reductase enzyme we talked about, which can help reduce the conversion of testosterone to DHT. This supports a healthy prostate size and can ease those frustrating urinary symptoms, leading to better sleep. Another powerhouse is stinging nettle root, which often works hand in hand with saw palmetto to support urinary flow and overall prostate function. Think of these herbs as your natural support crew. Let's not forget about healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts, are incredible for your body. They are powerful anti-inflammatories, and since inflammation can contribute to prostate issues and overall fatigue, getting enough omega-3s is crucial. They also support brain health and mood, which are directly linked to your perception of energy. Swapping out processed fats for these healthy, whole food sources is one of the best upgrades you can make for your vitality and long-term well-being. Finally, consider adding lycopene to your diet. This is the antioxidant that gives tomatoes their bright red color, and it's a champion for prostate health. Studies have shown that a diet rich in lycopene is associated with a healthier prostate. You can get it from tomato sauce, paste, and even watermelon. These aren't exotic ingredients, they are simple, powerful foods you can easily find at your local grocery store. By focusing on these key nutrients and herbs, you are actively nourishing your body and giving it exactly what it needs to thrive. Knowledge is only powerful when you put it into action. So let's create a simple, practical plan you can start today. Your first step is to focus on movement. You don't need to become a marathon runner overnight. Just commit to 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be a brisk walk, a bike ride, or some light strength training. Exercise is one of the most effective natural ways to boost testosterone, improve your mood by releasing endorphins, and help you sleep more soundly. It's the ultimate energy booster. Next, prioritize your sleep. This is non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep each night. To make this happen, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can disrupt your body's melatonin production. Make your bedroom a cool, dark, and quiet sanctuary. If you are getting up at night to use the bathroom, the natural solutions we discussed, like saw palmetto, can make a huge difference. When you wake up feeling truly rested, you'll feel the change in your energy all day long. Let's also talk about stress. Chronic stress is a vitality vampire.